Assalamu alaikum khalko. I hope all of you okay. And today my sweet nephew is here. She come because of the corona school holiday for 4 weeks. And the rest is coming now, and I'm gonna be cooking for children until they're here.
So what are we gonna cook today?
So I'm cooking my special chowmein with chicken vegetable chowmein, my way.
It's amazing.
And my family, my children love it. My friends love it as well. So I'm making chicken vegetable chowmein. And at the same time, I'm making asparagus or sag. Asparagus and sag.
Say asparagus. Say asparagus 5 times.
Asparagus. And in Pashto we say asparagus. The asparagus name is Teen Done.
Teen Done Char.
Char Done Aat. Panch Done. So I'm gonna be making asparagus as well, my way, no, the English way. It's amazing, inshallah. But I'm not gonna post all the recipe same time. I'll post it first, my chowmein, and then my asparagus, and then my
The ingredients for the chowmein. So you've got soya sauce, you've got oyster sauce, any chili sauce, a bit of naga, stir fry, and just add 1 more bell pepper or 2, 1 chicken breast, and egg noodles.
So I open the pack, I put all this in pan, and I boil water in my kettle, and I gonna dip this egg noodle in boiling hot water for 10 minutes. That's my first step. Cover it so it's proper get soft in these in this water. Okay, now my second step is heat my pan on medium heat, and put a little bit, just a cooking oil, but very little, just like a spoon. Yeah, I put that on.
Do you have to take them?
When the oil gets hot, I just put my chicken.
Okay.
This is just half of the breast, half breast chicken. I just put. So my noodle is almost done after 10 minutes. I'm gonna still cover it to get soft a bit more. It's like become a little bit brown. Now I'm gonna put like about 1 teaspoon chili sauce. In 1 packet I always put half of the bottle. This is a really tiny thing, so about half of the bottle. It's a tiny bottle oyster sauce. And then this soya sauce is quite dark, so I just put about, again, only 1 teaspoon. That's it. Mix it. I don't know why Caleb said mix it. Now since he said mix it, I'm keep saying mix it. Okay, and I just take it about that much. This is just for the flavor, but it's quite hot. If you people don't like hot dish, don't put it. On top of that, I'm gonna put my stir fry. Make sure that your stir fry don't go really mushy. It's nice to have it like valad. Now valad, that you say. What's valad?
Standing up.
You worse than me. Okay, so now I will set my noodles.
Battery's gone.
Go.
Battery's going.
Okay, I set my noodle. Come on,
Okay. I'm gonna keep some separate for Harim and them.
Yep. Oh, that's it. Shift it. Put it back in. That's my noodle, and it's gonna go top of that.
That's so easy.
It's literally 10-20 minute job, and your stir-fried noodle, chicken noodle is ready.
And it's ready now.
It's ready. That's the whole. This is my noodle.
It's like a 10-minute noodle, isn't it?
It's basically take me. If my children want noodle, it take me 15 to 20 minutes to make a noodle for them. Keep it like for 10 minutes more on medium heat. Betty Chachka. My noodles are ready. Come on up here. How is it?
Beautiful.
My noodles are ready to serve, and I would just try to say that because we all locked down in the houses because of Corona, and I say I'm gonna try to post every day a short recipe like that, and then you guys can enjoy and make it in the house. So inshallah, may Allah bless you, keep you all safe from the Corona disease, from all the afat, and may Allah keep you safe. But I'm gonna try to upload every day a short recipe, not a big recipe. So inshallah, I'll upload that tomorrow, and I hope you enjoy. Please comment that you like my recipe or not, and if there's any tip or anything, or if anything you want to know. By the way, my Instagram is Sabiha Ara Khan, SABIHA I'm gonna put the link below, and you can watch my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram, and you will see loads of other stuff on my Instagram, like crochet, knitting, short recipe, a little talk, a little chit chat. So please follow me on my Instagram as well, and until next recipe, bye. Allah Pama. Stay safe. Okay. For the first time I'm trying my food in front of you people, so very nice. You must try making these noodles.
Okay, wait.